Nalco Champion, an Ecolab company. For Dr. Kip Dillard, I am Maria Olvera. Who is Nalco Champion? Nalco Champion is a division of Ecolab company. It provides safe, sustainable chemistry programs and services to the upstream and midstream oil and gas industry, refineries, and petrochemical operations. Business is diversified. It has water process services and energy services. There are several companies within Ecolab. The main one is Ecolab, Nalco Champion, and Nalco. It serves 160 countries, 8,000 employees, 4,000 sales and service engineers, and 1,800 supply chain specialists. Nalco Champion history. It all began in 1920. It was Chicago Chemical Company, and from in the 1920s to the 1930s, from Illinois to Texas and steam locomotives to drilling, mud, and water treatment. In the 1940s to the 1950s, Nalco goes public and international. Now Champion Chemicals opens. In the 60s to the 70s, there was much expansion done to Canada, Australia, Middle East, and many more. In the 80s through the 90s, innovation, acquisitions, and a trip into space. Yes, I actually did go to space. In the 2000s, Nalco merged with Ecolab. Ecolab acquires Champion, and that's when Nalco Champion is formed. Overview of the market. The competitors are Baker Petrolite LLC, GE Betts Incorporated, Multi-Chem, which is a Halliburton company. And the problem with the existing products is shortages in raw materials, our oil and gas prices, and the foreign country climates. The opportunities and threats are technology advantages, which we have the advantage over the other companies. Our expertise, as the energy industry pushes farther and harsher and more unconventional global frontiers, Nalco Champion solves its most complex challenges. Our global network of R&D resources and expertise and foresight of the top scientists and researchers are transforming the oil and gas industry. Our infrastructure and our reliability. The threats are price concessions, lack of experience, lack of raw materials, again, oil and gas prices, and the foreign country stability. Our target market and segments. We have three different target market and segments, which is energy exploration and production, includes drilling and fracking, oil and gas production, oil and gas midstream, oil and gas gathering facilities, gas processing. Our oil and gas is domestic and international. It is onshore to ultra deep water production, and the business unit for gathering oil and gas processing and distribution. The refinery, additives, and petrochemical. That includes oil refineries, gasoline additives, and petrochemical commodities. For example, the Chevron with Techron and jet fuel additives are just to name a few. The product offering. Nalco Champion offers many products, and these are just a few. Acid integrity chemistries is when the corrosion threatens your bottom line by threatening the life of the assets, and therefore it leads to shutdown of production, which costs you in your profits. So for more than 50 years, Nalco Champion has helped producers mitigate corrosion in the field where it occurs. Another form is in deep water solutions. It is especially crucial in offshore operations. So we therefore apply extensive field experience, treatment programs, and monitoring methodologies to select and design technologies to solve the specific corrosion issues. Custom equipment and facilities includes fabricated oil field equipment and facilities packages. The drilling, completion, and stimulation includes acidizing, cementing, fracturing. Enhanced oil recovery includes conformance and in-depth conformance, mobility and sweep improvements, water shutoff, residual oil recovery, and FabTech custom oil field production and facilities solutions. That means the solutions from remote office to laboratory design to custom oil field injection and disposal systems. The product quality solutions for refining includes biocides that maintain fuel and equipment integrity by preventing microbial growth, corrosion, and fuel degradation. Cold flow improvement, it improves cold temperature handling and distillates and heavy oils to meet pipeline and fuel quality specs. Corrosion protection, lubricity improvements. The water treatment and quality management includes cooling water treatment that improves the reliability of your systems with our innovative cooling water treatment solutions. Boiler water treatments, it generates a year of safe, reliable steam for less than the cost of a single day of lost steam production. Wastewater treatment, it optimizes your plant's mechanical and operational and chemical aspects to improve reliability and maximize your return on investments. The distribution. The distribution is done by the supply chain group, and it is used to deliver products from blending facilities to the customer's location. Upon customer location, the chemical is distributed through chemical injection pumps continuously and batch fed into the system. Our pricing strategy is based on the cost of goods sold. It includes manufacturing costs and operation costs. And in today's economy, oil prices have much to do with the pricing, and customers expect extremely low prices. Our promotion strategies include cost concessions, which is giving the price reductions on products, cheaper products with higher margins, and new and cheaper chemistries with cheaper raw materials. And the market right now, as of right now, are asking for reductions due to the oil prices. Product positioning and differentiation. The competition supplies similar branded chemistries for the same market, and they are also doing price dumping to gain market share. Nalco's differences is that they have a size advantage. We are able to offer better leverage due to buying power and provide pass the savings on to our customers, which is a huge advantage. In conclusion, Nalco Champion is a part of Ecolab, which gives them a marketing advantage. It's diversified, which therefore has lower marketing costs, and it offsets the cost. They are in the restaurant industry, in medical, in laundry, in everyday use, not just in the energy sector. So that allows them to offset their profits when the oil and gas prices are low, like they have been for the past year.